friends, in this video, let's see the difference between loc and iloc filters in Python Pandas. Loc is a label based indexing and iloc is an integer position based indexing. Loc is used to access the group of rows or column by labels, whereas iloc is used to access the column or row using an integer position. Let me load a data frame to show you the example. The data has been loaded. Let's run our example and see the result. Here, using the loc function, I'm just getting the values of date which only has a 2017 430 in it, and whereas the iloc we would use to get the row or column based off the integer position. Let's run the iloc example. This will give us the total values in row number 5. The iloc will count from 0. Keep that in mind. These are the values which were in row number 5. This is the basic difference between loc and iloc in Pandas. Thank you.